part of your decision making. The first is your mind, is your ability, is your thoughts. Khalas, this is what I think, 2-3 choices. Then you take istikharah, you ask people for advice. After you've asked for advice, it's been narrowed down. You've made a decision. This is what I'm going to do. Now, oh Allah, I've made this decision. I'm going to buy this car tomorrow, Ya Rabb, insha'Allah. Tomorrow when I wake up, I'm going to go online, I'm going to go to this ad, I'm going to go to the car yard, and I'm going to ask about the car and I'm going to purchase it, Ya Rabb. But oh Allah, if in your knowledge, if in your power, if in your blessing upon me, you see that this car is good for me, let me have it. Because I think it is. Let it happen. And put barakah in it for me. But oh Allah, in your knowledge and in your power and in what you know that I don't know, if this car is not good for me, oh Allah, turn it from me and turn me from it. So subhanallah, you make that dua. You don't see any dreams. This thing about seeing dreams has nothing to do with istikharah. Nothing. This is, I don't know where it's come from, right? None of our books, none of our imams, none of the imams of Ahl Sunnah have attached any meaningfulness to dreams in this sense. And I'll talk about dreams shortly. So then you go to the car yard in the morning and you speak to the salesman. You say, I saw this ad and I wanted to take a look at the car. And he says, oh, you just missed it. Someone just picked it up late in the afternoon yesterday. In your heart you didn't say, Subhanallah, la hawla wa la quwwata, I missed out on a good deal. That car is normally $4,500. I could have got it for $3,000. Subhanallah, I missed out. La. Allah turned it away from you. You wanted to buy those nice Jordans, nice shoes. You made your istikharah. Sahaba would make istikharah. You go to the Foot Locker in the morning. You say, can I have a size 10? They say, oh, we got a 10.5 or an 11 or a 9.5. There's no 10. You don't say, oh, let me check another store. قدر الله وما شاء فعل. This is khair. This is an answer from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The answer to your istikharah is that you receive it, which means Allah blessed it for you. Or you don't get it, which means Allah protected you from it. In both cases, you're happy. Why is this important? You made Salatul Istikharah, as I just taught you.